Okay, so we're back. So since we spoke to you last, we have masked up around the frame, or sorry, the panel we're gonna spray. We've given it a good clean with a wax and grease remover to get rid of any contaminants which will affect the paint and help it not stick. This is the paint we got pre-mixed from the hardware store. Pretty cool. They do any colour you want. This is from a 2005 and they still managed to match the colour for me. So that's great. So it's all masked up, albeit just nothing too special, just some cardboard and plastic that's lying around in the garage. Again, this is an old car. I'm not after an A1 finish on this. This is something that's just going to make it last for longer aesthetically. We'll see how we go. I've never painted a car before, so we'll see how we get on. It's all clean, all prepped, ready to go. I'm going to give it a kind of good shake and then we'll get into it.